السلام عليك يا حجة الله في أرضه السلام عليك أين الله في خلقه السلام عليك.
Mahabba for other people. Our love for Allah leads to our love for wali of Allah, and then leads to love for all people, especially mu'mineen. Al-hubbu fillah wal-bughdu fillah. In several lectures, for example, in the Shrine of Lady Ma'asuma, we had 2 sessions on Al-hubbu fillah wal-bughdu fillah. In a series on social wilaya and followership, we have talked about this. If I am a good believer, I must love others. Start with your friends, with your siblings, with your, cousins. You should be able to love them for the sake of Allah. What Imam Mahdi Ajjalallahu Ta'ala Farajahu Sharif needs is not many individuals who are immersed in their own shells. We don't need too many shells. We don't need too many individualistic minds. We need united people. We need network of believers. If we can have one network, one network. If we cannot have one network, different networks, but at least each network has united people, and then they can connect to each other. Either an ocean or lakes, not drops. Drops cannot do anything. We need lakes or oceans. We need united people. We need ummatan wahid. If we are ourselves not united, how can we help Imam to unite humanity? If still with someone I cannot do few projects with love and unity, how can then I help Imam? We need to learn how to work together, how to prioritize others' comfort, convenience, and sometimes opinion. If you are not sure, and other person, your friend is sure, say, okay, we do as you say. If you are sure that is wrong and it's going to lead to problem, then with unity try to find the middle way position. Otherwise, forget this project. 99% of our projects are not that valuable that we sacrifice our unity for them. 99% of our projects are not that important that we sacrifice our unity. When Harun ala Nabiyina wa alayhi salam, Prophet Harun, brother of Prophet Musa, when he saw that Samiri is misguiding people and some people started worshipping this calf, he didn't take a strong action and waited for Musa to come, because he was worried that Musa alayhi salam may go back and say, why did you divide Bani Israel? إني خشيت أن تقول فرقت بين بني إسرائيل ولم ترقب قولي. I was worried that you may return and say, why did you divide Bani Israel and you don't wait for me? So even with the case of reacting to shirk, if the cost is dividing people, Harun waits till Musa comes back and he makes the decision, because such a big thing, division. It's not that we should be silent when someone starts, such heretical thing, but it means that we should not make decision by ourselves. This is to be made by the main leader. In any case, your projects are very important, but they should not be sacrificing your unity. And if you do projects, even a small project with unity, that's great. So any project dividing you, no. Any project that you do with unity and love and mutual trust, it's great. Even if your project is just to meet each other for the sake of unity, for the sake of Allah, that's great. Some of you are from different ethnicities, different background, but because of your iman, you have come together. Inshallah, through you, then people who are back in their countries, other people, maybe they all can get connected to each other. We have in the hadith that Amir al-Mu'minin says about companions of Imam Mahdi that كَأَنَّمَا رَبَّاهُمْ أَبٌ وَاحِدٌ وَأُمٌّ وَاحِدَةٌ. They are so close that you think they are brought up by the same father and mother. So someone from Pakistan, someone from India, someone from Philippines, someone from China, someone from Canada, someone from US, someone from Lebanon, someone from Bahrain. When they behave, when they speak, when they argue, you should feel that they are brought up by the same father and mother. This is now happening in people like you, but inshallah, when you establish this, then it should become universal.
السلام عليك يا حجة الله في